Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching. I'm glad you're here. This is Legacy Meeting Computers, and today's Quickie episode, we're not looking at a box of oven-to-table stoneware, but this is a box of hardware from Computer Reset, sent to me from Texas by Sergio. So let's crack this open and see what we have. Now, I have a good idea because I've been told multiple times, but I keep forgetting what was coming hardware, but some of it been waiting for a while. So let's see what's in here, shall we? Really? Well, there we go. So we have two expansion cards. The personal computer cluster adapter. So we can make an attempt hasn't been opened in 30 years. Oh, that's beautiful. Smells like 1980s. Don't mind the cat. I am properly, well, I'm not 100% properly grounded, but I'm pretty close. Although it's funny, assuming that this has been sealed and has been opened, the PCB actually has a blown capacitor type smell to it. Wow, I'm kind of impressed. The cluster adapter has the terminator enclosed on it. I do think that's actually kind of neat. Let me put this back in. I think we will actually have a live stream in the future, depending on which time you're watching this, where we'll put one of these in, see what happens. And there goes the tripod with the phone on it. Well, that really is my fault for not having halfway decent hardware. And let's try this again. Actually, because one of the legs is failing, we're just gonna shrink it by that leg, and well, we'll see what happens here. Get a little bit closer to our box. Maybe we can zoom out. Okay. So this is supposed to be another cluster adapter. We also have some power cords, and more importantly, for the PS2, we've got Microsoft mouse, serial ball mouse. An IBM PS2 3-button mouse. That was kind of a surprise. A generic 3-button mouse, and don't know what leaked on these, but and another 3-button mouse. So we'll get those cleaned up, try them out, see what happens. Okay. Oh, yes, we have this is the serial adapter, at least it should be the serial adapter for the PC Junior Compact printer with the instructions, and these old style power cords with the daisy chain pass through. This was a staple in the IBM era, and of course wanted to get my hands on some of these for the 5150, the expansion unit, the monitor, the Model 25, the printers, and the 5170 AT. Of course, got plenty of these. And that pretty much concludes this LMC Quickie mail call. Depending on which time you're watching this video, stay tuned for the live stream where we're going to put the cluster adapter in at least the 5170 and try to learn a little bit about what's going to be involved in getting them networked together with the cluster adapter way. And if it's been a while since I've recorded this, make sure to go back in the videos and look for, although I should have it linked in here later on, that live video of the recording of it. So let me close with saying, make sure to search, protect your vintage gear, prevent your vintage CRTs from burn-in, and if you still got spinning rust, park those heads. See you in the next video.